data, there are two types of analysis that is done. Okay, one is called the historical analysis. What do you mean by historical analysis? Historical analysis means a data which has all you have a data and it has got the information which has already happened in the past. Okay, it's a past tense. So now, for example, if you are working on Amazon dataset, you are able to understand that last year how much sales of Rakhi might have happened in the day of Raksha Bandhan. And this year, how many sales have happened during the time of Raksha Bandhan. So suppose you could see that last year there were like 10,000 orders, out of which, because of shortage of inventory, we were able to deliver only 3,000 orders. So this year, what you will do? You will do the historical analysis in order to ensure that this year you fix everything. Okay, you should have right now this year, obviously demand will increase. Instead of 10,000, you are keeping an inventory of 15,000. That means you are doing an historical analysis to ensure that your current business runs in a better way. Okay, this is called the historical analysis. Also, you have to check that since the last 5 years, how's the performance? Every year, year on year, how the performance of the company, is it growing? Is it going deep? All those are type of analysis if it's required to be done. So that also comes under historical analysis. And another analysis is called predictive model or analysis. Now, prediction. Prediction means you become an astrologer for the business. The predictive analysis methods are really tough, and it involves a lot of experience. It also involves a lot of accuracy. Means at least 60 to 70% accuracy is important. Because why? Because using your predictive analysis, the company is going to invest. And if it does not give in a good result, then you are not a good analyst in terms of predictions. So predictive analysis means using the historical trend, you will take a call that 5 years down the line, what's going to happen with the business and how the business should restructure themselves so that 5 years down the line, the demand that is going to come, how as a company we are going to cater to the need of the audience. Okay. So this work is of the data engineers, data scientists. Okay. Please excuse my spelling mistakes. Spelling aata hai, but type kar lagta hai. So this is called as predictive model. So your responsibility will not be of doing the predictive analysis or forecasting kind of a thing. You won't be involved in that. It requires a lot of experience. Okay, so it's my responsibility falls under here. Your responsibility comes in this category, which is historical analysis. So you will be working on historical data in order to give the informations of the current and the previous market of the industry, how the industry had been performing in the previous years and how the industry is performing in the current year, or any informations from the data if you have to show. That kind of analysis you will have to do as a Tableau developer. Okay. So all this social media things that is right now going on, data scientist, you do a course on data scientist and then you try to apply for a job as a data scientist, you will see you won't have any jobs in data scientist for a fresher. They want to see all those technical jargons in your resume. Even if you forcefully write all those technical jargons using chat GPTs and your and other informations on social media, whether will you be able to survive in the industry is the second biggest question. Because getting a job is not difficult at all. Surviving in this domain is very, very, very difficult. Okay. In both these two domains. Okay. So in